Hey guys, Casey here, and today I'm going to take you through a routine to help with low back pain, specifically low back pain that comes from sitting too much. So if you have a desk job and are sitting at work all day, then I highly recommend you try these stretches and exercises to help alleviate some of that low back pain. First, you're going to find a kneeling position, and then from there I want you to tuck your tailbone underneath you and sit up straight. Next, I want you to take a big inhale in through your nose and feel your belly expand as you breathe in. From there, let out a nice sigh as you breathe out through your mouth, and then continue this breathing process. In this position, I want you to engage your glutes of your back leg by squeezing it and holding throughout the entire pose. This is going to help relax your hip flexor even more so you can get into a deeper stretch. After about a minute, switch sides and then repeat on the opposite side. In this position, you can shift forward only as long as you don't lose the tuck of your tailbone and start arching your back. Make sure to keep your glute engaged. Next, we're moving into a standing quadriceps stretch. Reach back and grab one of your ankles, and from there make sure that your knees stay in line with each other. I want you to push your hips forward and engage your glute, just in like the hip flexor stretch. By engaging your glute, again, it's going to help the quadricep relax and you'll get a better stretch out of it. Keep the same breathing pattern as before, breathing in deeply through your nose and exhaling out through your mouth. After about 60 seconds, switch sides. Next, move into a set of glute bridges. Make sure your toes, knees, and hips are in line while laying on the floor. Extend your hips up, engage your glutes at the top, and pause for a brief moment at the top before lowering back down. You're going to repeat for a set of about 10 to 15 repetitions here. Before moving on to the final exercise, I would encourage you to go back and repeat these first 3 again, at least once, if not twice. Lastly, we're moving into planks to work on core stability. If holding this position on your forearms is too challenging, then go ahead and hold at the top of a push-up position or drop to your knees while on your forearms. Engage your glutes here to help maintain a neutral hip position, and think about pulling your belly button to your spine to help engage your core. Hold this position as long as you can until your form starts to fail. The more often you do this routine, the more quickly your back pain will feel better. I would suggest trying to do it every day if you can, or even doing it before and after work if you have the time available. But even doing it just a couple times a week will provide benefits.